Now, the application which we are building in section 3 is about string processing application to provide word count for each string message being shared between the actors in the actor system. Now, what is actor system? What is Akka framework? There is a very nice documentation provided by Akka. I will provide the link for that. So as you can see, akka.io/docs gives you all the basic details, all the nitty-gritties, how the Akka actors work, and there are very nice APIs for Scala and for Java as well if you're interested. Now, for the purpose of this video, we'll be looking at defining string processing and word counter actors for our app. So let's get started. First of all, we will create a new SPT project in IntelliJ, and we will add the library dependency, which I've already done that for now. As you can see, I've created very basic project, an SPT project. You can always go to IntelliJ new and you can create any new project by selecting the type of project. And once you have done that, you will get the directory structure like this. And then in the build.spt file, I've added the resolvers and library dependency for Akka actor. Now, for purpose of this video 1, we will add the actors which are needed for our string processing application. Word counter actor, which accepts file name as a string of type string, and it extends actor class, an actor trait, which is defined in Akka actor library. Now, the actors are nothing but objects which encapsulate state and behavior. They communicate exclusive by exchanging messages which are placed into the recipient's mailbox. Basically, like if you see the implementation, I've created a class called word counter actor which extends the base trait actor, and for the purpose of this video I will define a rough implementation for receive. So as you can see, every time you extend an actor trait, you need to have an overridden receive method defined. In the further videos, we will look at how we can customize the implementation for the purpose of our application. Now we have defined the word counter actor. We need another actor here. So I'll add that actor. So as you can see, again, I've extended the base trait actor, and which is asking to override receive method from actor trait. And again, I will provide very basic implementation for now. So as you can see, I've defined string processing actor and word counter actor. So it's basically like we need one sender actor, one receiver actor. So here, string processing actor is acting as a sender actor, and word counter actor will be acting as a receiver actor. We will see in detail in further videos what do you mean by sender actor, why you need receiver actor, because we are following the message passing pattern. In the next video, we will be looking at adding some messages so that in further videos we can use those messages to establish communication between both the actors.